Hi guys, Dr. Irene at the Green Room Physical Therapy with teachers and students returning to home as well as everybody else working from home. You may have a standing desk in your office that you are wishing you had at home but don't. So I'm just going to go through a couple things that you can, a couple ways you can try to make a standing desk at your home and try to make it fit your body so you're not having poor posture while doing so. So first, try to get yourself to a countertop that best allows your elbows to rest just a little bit more than 90 degrees. 90 degrees is here with my elbows. So right now my keyboard is down here. It's a little too low. So I'm just going to take like a textbook or anything that's a little bit more stable and place my keyboard on that to better allow me to have this at a closer towards 90 but not quite 90-degree angle. I'd also want my mouse to go up this high as well. So I'd get a second book for myself just to prop this up here. Next, you're going to take a look at your screen. So you definitely want to make sure your screen's at eye level. This screen, as you can see, is way too low. So if I'm going to do work, I'm going to be really slouching forward. So again, take a textbook, or I have a yoga block right here. I'm just going to prop up right here and make this more at eye level. So then it's better fit, so I'm not slouching forward. Another thing you're going to want to make sure with your screen is that it is roughly 20 inches from your eyes. So that might be an arm's distance away, depending on how long your arm is. So for me, it will be maybe a little bit further back, so arm's distance away. So right there is going to be pretty good for me. And lastly, your shoes and your footwear and what you're standing on is going to make a big difference. So try to wear like good comfortable shoes when you're working at home. Try not to go barefoot or flip-flops or sandals. Give yourself good support. You can also stand on a mat. So maybe you have like a kitchen mat that you do your dishes on. So maybe you take that from where your dishes section is and put it right where you're standing. Or what you could do is I've got here a yoga mat that I've rolled up. So you can just take a yoga mat, put it on the ground, and just to give you a little bit of extra cushion while you're standing. Lastly, when standing in terms of your feet, make sure you're not putting more weight through one side and just kind of like shifting weight through one hip and then going to the next hip. Try to really have both of your equal weight through both of your feet, and try to do that by squeezing your glute muscles, your butt muscles, and your quad muscles, and activating your core to keep yourself nice and tall so that you don't turn into leaning from one hip to the next. Try these few things at home. Good luck to all of those you returning to school, and let us know what you think.